From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Nutanix Certified Associate NCA 7.5 exam. Introduction of Nutanix Certified Associate NCA 7.5 exam. NCA 7.5 exam details. Nutanix Certified Associate NCA 7.5 Knowledge Objectives. How to prepare for NCA 7.5 exam. 1. A new IT administrator is reviewing Nutanix cloud infrastructure and needs to understand which virtualization layer can run workloads on a Nutanix cluster. Which hypervisor is commonly supported as part of Nutanix cloud infrastructure? A. AHV. B. Prism Central. C. Foundation Central. D. Nutanix Move. Answer: A. 2. A company wants to simplify infrastructure by combining compute, storage, virtualization, and management into a single scalable platform. Which Nutanix solution best fits this requirement? A. Nutanix Collector. B. Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure. C. Self-Service Restore. D. Witness Service. Answer: B. 3. An organization plans to migrate virtual machines from an existing virtualization environment to Nutanix. Which tool is designed for this type of migration? A. Lifecycle Manager Inventory. B. Nutanix Collector. C. Prism Element. D. Nutanix Move. Answer: D. 4. A virtual machine administrator wants to enable better guest VM integration with Nutanix features, including file-level restore support and guest operations. Which component should be installed in the guest VM? A. Nutanix Guest Tools. B. Foundation Central. C. Witness Service. D. X-Ray. Answer: A. 5. An administrator needs to preserve the current state of a virtual machine before making a risky configuration change. Which task should be performed? A. Reclaim a license. B. Take a snapshot. C. Create an SMTP configuration. D. Run a software compatibility matrix report. Answer: B. 6. An administrator needs to provide virtual machines with connectivity to a specific network segment. Which task is most relevant? A. Assign a software license. B. Perform NCC checks. C. Create or configure a subnet. D. Start a log collection. Answer: C. 7. A cluster administrator is reviewing storage protection and wants to understand how many failures the cluster can tolerate while maintaining data availability. Which concept should be reviewed? A. SMTP notification formatting. B. Custom alert policy names. C. VM category labels. D. Redundancy and fault tolerance requirements. Answer: D. 8. An administrator wants to verify whether a Nutanix environment has the required entitlements and whether any licenses are close to expiration. Which action should be performed? A. Inspect the current license state and expiration information. B. Create a new virtual switch. C. Place a node into maintenance mode. D. Run a packet capture from the VM console. Answer: A. 9. A node requires physical hardware maintenance. The administrator wants to prepare the node so workloads and services can be handled safely by the cluster. Which action should be taken? A. Reclaim all cluster licenses. B. Place the node into maintenance mode. C. Delete all VM snapshots. D. Disable pulse reporting. Answer: B. 10. An administrator wants to validate cluster health and identify known issues or misconfigurations. Which action should be performed? A. Configure GPU settings. B. Create a new VM category. C. Run NCC checks. D. Change the VM boot order. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.